Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to add a promo code on Amazon Music account. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in music.amazon.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Amazon Music account by entering your Amazon credentials. And once you're inside the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap on your Amazon Music settings button. Soon after you do that, on the next page, go to add promo code button under payment at the very bottom. Enter a promo code in the text box that appears right underneath the option. Now, go ahead and enter the promo code exactly as provided to you. Make sure there are no extra spaces or incorrect characters. And once done, tap on the apply button to apply the promo code. If the promo code is valid, it will be added to your Amazon Music account. Then you can easily enjoy your free trial, discounted subscription, or other benefits. Just make sure that the redemption code that is provided to you is correct and valid. So that is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.